Because today's vehicles come equipped with such advanced technologies, out-of-pocket repairs can be expensive and often come at the worst times. A vehicle service contract, or VSC, protects your vehicle beyond the warranty, removing the pain of having to pay for costly repairs down the road. Choose flexible and affordable coverage for a few components of your vehicle, or purchase a more comprehensive coverage covering nearly everything. Even choose the mileage and term that best meets your driving habits. And remember, today's price is more affordable as age and mileage affects the cost. These plans all come with roadside benefits such as rental and towing, lost key lockout, trip interruption, and road hazard tire repair on all qualified covered claims, with professional claims adjusters there to help you 24 hours a day, every single day of the year. Why get caught at the worst time with an expensive repair? Protect your vehicle. Our worry-free drivers have had more than $150 million in claims paid to repair centers they chose. Drive with a peace of mind, knowing you're protected with a vehicle service contract today. Affordable financing options may be available.